Captain, we have a fire in cargo hold. Smoke is spreading fast. Sound the general alarm. Everyone to emergency stations.
What if the fire reaches the fuel supply?
I'm shutting down the ventilation. I'm sealing the affected area.
I grab the fire extinguisher and help fight and fire.
Informing all crew on coordinating fire suppression efforts. Good. Work together. We need to contain this before it spreads. Captain, we've lost engine power. What's the issue? Can we restart?
We're drifting toward the rocks. We need a solution fast.
Captain, should I send a distress signal?
Sir, we need to deploy the sea anchor to slow us down.
Go.
Do it now. Chief Engineer, how long until we can restart?
Fire suppression system is activated. It's slowing down. Go.
Fire is out. Get to work, everyone.
Sir, we need to deploy the sea anchor to slow us down.
Go.
I need 10 more minutes.
The wind is pushing us off course.
Emergency communication, just in case.
Starting now. Engine coming back online.
We have power again. Changing course away from the rocks.
Excellent work, team. Crisis averted. Man overboard. Starboard side. Sound the alarm. Throw a life buoy immediately.
We're coming for you. Pusra.
The guard is strong.
Lowering the rescue boat. Keep your eyes on him.
Is about 15 meters away and drifting fit. Is about 15 meters away and drifting fast. Steer the ship slightly to create a break from the waves.
Grab the line.
Get it. Pull me up.
Pulling. Almost there.
He's on board. He's safe.
Well done, everyone. That was a fast thinking and teamwork.